Hi there. Welcome to a quick tour of the vFairs Seating Plan Builder, your handy tool for creating organized and flexible seating arrangements for events of any size. Let's say you're organizing a conference and want attendees to easily reserve seats, whether they're grabbing premium spots or general admission. This tool makes that process smooth and efficient. Here's how. Step 1. Set up your seat plan. With a simple drag and drop interface, you can design the layout to match your entire venue or each session room perfectly. Define rows, zones, and even color code sections. Step 2. Connect it to registration. Whether attendees are paying for seats or reserving spots for free, the Seating Plan Builder ties everything into the registration process. You can even enable payments through gateways like Stripe and PayPal. Step 3. Let attendees choose their seats. During registration, they'll see a live seat map and can pick a spot that suits them. Front row, middle, or back, you name it. Once they log into the event, attendees can also choose their seats for specific sessions they're interested in through their mobile app. Seat availability updates instantly to avoid any double bookings. And once they've picked their seat, they'll get an instant confirmation email with session details, seat location, and an option to cancel. Need to adjust things on short notice? No problem. Organizers can update seat plans anytime, and attendees will see the changes right away. After the event, you'll have access to detailed reports showing reservations, cancellations, and trends to help improve future layouts. It's all that simple. Have any questions? Shoot us an email at sales@vfairs.com. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.